Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a brick cage for hens. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need bricks, mortar, and a strong foundation material like concrete or gravel. Don't forget your safety gear, such as sturdy gloves and eye protection, to keep you safe during construction. Planning your cage dimensions is crucial. Aim for at least 4 square feet per hen for comfortable living space. Also, check local regulations regarding poultry enclosures. Now, let's focus on the foundation, which is the backbone of your hen cage. Start by preparing a level and stable base. Dig a shallow trench, approximately 6 inches deep, to ensure a solid footing. You can then lay a concrete slab or use compacted gravel for optimal stability. Once your base is ready, begin laying your first course of bricks, ensuring each one is level and using a strong, consistent mortar mix. This initial step is vital for a durable structure. With the foundation set, it's time to build up the walls. Continue laying bricks, carefully checking that each course is perfectly level and plumb. As you build, remember to create openings for a sturdy door and essential ventilation windows. These openings are crucial for air circulation and easy access. Reinforce the top of your door and window frames with lintels to ensure structural integrity. Also, consider a roof overhang of at least 12 inches to protect your hens from rain and sun. Finally, let's complete your hen cage with a robust roof and essential finishing touches. Install a durable roof, such as corrugated metal or timber with shingles, ensuring it's securely fastened to the brick walls for safety. Next, add a sturdy door with reliable latches to keep your hens safe from predators. Inside, provide comfortable roosting bars for sleeping and several nesting boxes, ideally one for every 3 to 4 hens, for egg laying. Your brick hen cage is now ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.